This is one of our favorite exercises. It's called inversion. And really, it's just to help you think about opposite situations and scenarios that you might not have thought of. It's really easy to think deeply about like the thing that everyone thought we should build or the product that everyone's aligned on. But this one helps you kind of reframe a little bit more quickly. Positive inversion is really just thinking about what's the desired outcome we want. So, for example, we want customers downloading our new mobile app and using it, for X amount of time and going through some task or buying more widgets. What needs to be true for that desired future? Well, in order to make that happen, we need a mobile app. We need to have our design be mobile friendly. That includes blah blah blah. And what else needs to be true is we need customers to know that the mobile app exists. So we're going to need to market it. And also, in order to have this mobile app out in the world, we need to get it through the app store, get it approved to make sure that it's going to be able to stay out there and we'll keep it updated. So plans to address then, once you work through your desired future and moving left to right on this worksheet, eventually you want to say, for us to get that mobile app shipped out into the world, we're going to need to hire so and so developers. For us to get that great design, we're going to need to consider X on the design front, or hire team members, or build a design system, or whatever, and so on and so forth. So this helps you basically come up with the things you need to do in order to get to the goal you have. Negative inversion is a really fun one. It really kind of helps people think deeply about something. So this is, what outcome are you trying to prevent? So you actually put fun stuff in here, like make sure no one could ever use a mobile app that we would ever build and put on the app store, or make sure people are so frustrated with our experience that they tell other people never to use this again. Now, the reason that's funny is like that's obviously not what anyone wants to happen. But by putting that on a sticky, it makes you think about how could you achieve this bad outcome? Well, we could make the mobile app unfriendly to use, or hard to download, or put a crazy password login experience in so they never actually get to the part that matters. Or we could not put it on the Apple App Store, and instead we're just gonna ship it as a desktop app and hope that people come to it, or whatever. So basically, what you're doing is saying, like, how could we create the world where this terrible thing happens? And then what you're actually creating in this list is stuff you want to avoid, right? So you're actually creating things to make sure you're aware of pitfalls, things the team should avoid, so that you don't end up with what you don't want to happen. It feels a little weird at first, but it's a really fun exercise. Usually people are laughing. For some reason, it's really fun to come up with these because it's not usually how people think.